Okay, hello. Right here I'm going to show you two MOC that I made. Both are pretty weird and complicated gear trains. Let's start with this one. So this gear train, let's see it powered on first. It is very fast. But let's explain the mechanism. So what the mechanism is, the motor is connected to the 22 double bevel and a 40-tooth gear with a 5-unit axle. There's one black pin for support. And these gear train, the double bevel gear train, is sandwiched with 2 gray beams, and on the top there's other gears. So these 2 gears are spinning in the same direction and same speed. So on this bottom gear train, it is connected to 2 idler gears. So when the rotation gets to this, the gear ratio between this gear and the 12-tooth gear, it does not change at all. The direction doesn't change either. So this is a 5-to-3 ratio all the way to there. And then there's the 40-tooth gear is meshed with the 24-tooth gear. It is also a 5-to-3 gear ratio. Now the idea is that you can make a gear train where you have both of these like that and they're connected because of the same gear ratios. But because of the spacing problem, that they're not spaced the same, then you have to find other ways, and that's how I got to these 2 idler gears. Anyway, this output, the 12-tooth gear is connected to an 8-tooth gear. There's a idler 8-tooth gear which changed the direction, and another 8-tooth gear is connected to this 24-tooth gear. So all in all, these gears are spinning in the same direction, and this is just to sort of make the connection between this gear and this gear stronger. So once you know that, you can see that it actually works like this. If you had a different gear ratios, then this model would not work at all. Next model I wanted to show you is this model. Let's take off the motor so I can show you how weird this is. So the model is resting on a Technic brick frame, and you are going to be driving this axle under this gear decoration sort of. There is a 12-tooth gear which is connected to a 20-tooth gear, and that is on the same axle of the 40-tooth gear, and then it is meshing with an 8-tooth gear which goes to this 12-tooth gear. It doesn't go anywhere. It is up. Then this 40-tooth gear meshes with an 24-tooth gear, which is connected on the axle to a 16-tooth gear, and then that is meshing with the 36, which is meshing with the 12 and the 12-tooth gear. On the back, the 12-tooth gear here is connected to a knob gear, which is with another knob gear. So this makes a very weird and long gear train. So let's power it on. Okay, so I did not add the proper support, so I will have to hold it like this. So anyway, Anyway, that's 2 MOCs. Goodbye.